Hello guys, welcome to Maha Educational Channel. Today's topic is 1B locus exercise 1A. I'm explaining the most important questions for IP preparation. IP is depends on small questions but differ in the methods. That's it. So I am explaining the most important questions in the first chapter 1A. First exercise 1A, 1B. Okay, 1B session, 1A exercise. When we go on the 1A session, here, second Roman is most important for IPE. 4 marks questions. These are all 4 marks questions here. 4 marks questions. Okay. And second question too. Second question, this Roman is most important guys that you should learn for IP. But this Roman is totally easy when you know first Roman of exercise 1A. Okay, when we go on this thing, this is so easy. If you know one model that you can solve two sums. Okay, that type questions. Here 10 questions are there. You have to learn 4 to 5 models. So easy guys that you easily get 4 marks. Okay, here are the key points. Key points are most important for other preparational practicals like that. Locus is the set of points that satisfy the given consistent geometric conditions like this that you have to know. I'm not explaining this portion, but I just read it. An equation of a locus is an algebraic description of the locus. This can be obtained in the following way. First point, consider a point P of x comma y on the locus. Write the geometric conditions to be satisfied by P in terms of an equation or inequation in symbols. Apply the proper formula of coordinate geometry and translate the geometric conditions into an algebraic equation. Most important points that you have to do in the sums. Simplify the equation so that it easy free from radicals. Verify that if q of x1 comma y1 satisfies the equation, then q satisfies the geometric condition. Q means the point given by the question. The equation thus obtained is the required equation of the locus. In this way that we can find the locus equation. These are the most important points. Okay, I read it. There is nothing to explain. So I just read it. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Please like, share, comment, share to your friends. If you want to know about anything, please message me in the comment section. Okay, thanks for watching guys.